want to demonstrate how to get a free OpenAI real-time API, a programming interface code, so I can link it to Twilio, to the Twilio phone number. So when you call the Twilio phone number, my chat GPT will reply. So for this purpose, I have to go to OpenAI, openai.com, and apply for that code. But before I do that, I want to paste the video file name that I created here to record this event. And I also want to run a program that is called PSAR, Problem Step Recorder, to record step by step what I'm doing. In addition to that, I'd like to run also the camera software. So I have a video of what I'm doing just now. So I'll turn on that recording and we'll see also how well it works or it doesn't work. Make the picture as small as I can do. I can make it within the constraint of this recording. So I'm going to navigate to that openai.com and try to register myself. So I'm going to a Google site here and paste the URL universal resource locator. So OpenAI, and I want to get started. Not sure exactly where I should start. I suspect it has something to do with API login or open API for business. Okay, so what I want to do is to go to the API area of GPT login, create an API account. If I want that, I want to run Pessar problem step recorder, set up to 999 steps, and select OK and start this recording. Beginning, I want to enter some file name that I'll later use. Also, start by starting the recording. Ability to put in comment. We can stop and review. Start recording again. Okay, so I select login, and if I don't have a login, I can sign up. Get your API keys. So I sign up to get my API keys. Our versatile high intelligence flagship mode. Text and manage. Input, text output. 120K context length. Smarter model. Higher price per token. You can also at this point see the docs, the documentation. But first I have to sign up. I'm going to sign up and enter an email address or continue with Google. Continue with Google. Start building. Get your API code. Create or join an organization to access API keys and a suite of development tools. And what do we get for that? Is GPT-4 and GPT-4 Mini. These are the GPTs that they have. Start building. Structured output, real-time API. Explore our guides. So what should I say for now is keys and suits of developer tools in the models. Let's see if I can go to the docs now. Keep install OpenAI. You can interact with the API through HTTP requests from any language via our official Python building, our official Node.js library, community maintained library. To install the official Python building, run the following command: pip install OpenAI. To install the official Node.js library, run the following command. And then authentication, API keys. Remember, your API key is secret. All API requests should include your API key in an authorization HTTP header as follows: authorization, bearer open API keys, organizations and projects, client open API organization, examples with OpenAPI Node.js package, making requests, and they show you various part of the docs, the documentation. There is a guide to set up your organization, API platform organization overview, and the guide. Can make API request, basic organization, owner, managing billing, limits, API keys, staging project, solution architecture. Check out the most up-to-date guide on latency optimization. Complete token, structure, text, strategy, machine learning operations, security and compliance. Here there is a video. You can watch it on YouTube. The business of API. So we can take her out of here into YouTube and get the YouTube address and her name and so on. Or it's YouTube. This point we can put in, we can download it, we can share it, and we can view it. And most importantly, we can also copy the URL. I'm going to copy the URL and paste it in my notes. This is coming out of the YouTube. Then I'll mark it and I'll color it so I know that everything in between these notes, the YouTube. Now here, I want to scroll down to display more and get the names here from the people that are listed. People that are going to be here, but especially I'm interested in Alyssa, the head of sales. So I want to copy this into my notes, all of this, the business of AI, and place it in my notes here so I can contact her and learn from her about some of the issues that are related to this. I'm going to mark her name in red if I can. Alyssa Rosenthal. Where's Alyssa Rosenthal? Somehow I didn't get her name. Speaker. I didn't catch her name. Oh, here she is. Okay. Rosenthal, head of sales at OpenAI. I want to contact her to see if they have anything relevant to teaching this at a university settings. I want to copy this to my notes. That will be my file name together with the other details. Rosenthal, head of sales at OpenAI. It for now. Now I want to save it to keep my notes. Got to fit a file name. Copy to the clipboard buffer. Let's see if we can pause the recording and resume the recording and then stop and review. So I stop and review. And now I want to save it. Oh, you can now add a comment. So I want to add a comment and paste my comment. Click OK. And now I want to review to see additional details, to see how many steps. That was 114 steps. So now I want to save it with today's date and time. So I'm going to try to save it here. Save. I want to navigate down till .exe. It is already there, so I'm going to take the previous file name and modify it a little bit because I have to change the file name and there's some other details. So I want to go to the beginning and put in the correct date and time. Today is Thursday. So I put in 1-30 dash 2025, and the day of the week is Thursday. So I'm going to put capital T and lowercase h, and the time of the day is 12:38 p.m. 12:38 p.m. Then I want to overwrite the previous notes with the current notes. Control V. Now I want to take the path to peshar.exe, copy it to the clipboard buffer, and insert it at the beginning of the file name. Control V and backspace. Now I want to focus in on it, copy to the clipboard buffer and save it in my peshar.exe subfolder, which stands for Problem Step Recorder. Having done that, I want to paste it also in my notes here. Control V, save. One time in my Word document, and I want to also save it in my various notes. So one of the notes file I want to save it in is my ChatGPT, called ChatGPT folder. File save. And then I would like to start a new recording. see if I can search her name. And she has a LinkedIn account, and then I can contact her. Oops, Control V. By mistake, I've cut it out. I want to open another pane in my browser and see if I can find her LinkedIn account. So I want to look for LinkedIn in, and that will be it for now. I save this and continue later. So in the meantime, it's already recorded for a while. I want to stop the recording. We'll continue later. I want to get the LinkedIn address and to copy the string, mark it, Control C to copy it. Okay, let's see if we can paste paste it as text in my notepad. Control V. Yes. So I want to open another tab in my browser and see if I can paste this string and get her LinkedIn. So here is her LinkedIn connection. Sarah, can you come here for a minute? So what I did is I took her director of sales and I placed her LinkedIn URL in my notes here. At San Francisco. I did already. I'm telling you, please listen to me. Alyssa Rosenthal, head of sales at OpenAI. Alyssa is ALIISA, two eyes. And Rosenthal, so
Okay, so I'm gonna connect with her first of all.
want to connect with her
It's pending. Once she accepts me, then I can
and
write.
invite her to be a guest speaker in the IT Expo and
So
also in your seminars.
series.
Yes, and tell her that we want to adopt her, that we got a new VP of AI and we want to teach about it, teach the staff and the students about it. You'll find already, okay? No. So use the other one, please. I'm also recording all of it, so please keep it in mind. Thank you. I will. Now I want to stop the MSN recording, play it back and see how good that is. Also, make a note that I was using Dr. ARush at gmail.com. Save it, and now let's play back the video and see the quality of the recording.